got another package. Let's go ahead and open it up. These are some things that I was needing for gym setup. On top of that, for clients. So, got some more change plates. Some more of these, 1.25 pound. And the reason I got more is because for my dumbbells, you know, can't just only have one pair. You need two, at least for my setup. So there we go. That way we can go incrementally up 2.5 pounds between changing weights. So for me, from 55.5 to 57.5 pounds. So this is gonna help me a lot. Also for clients, just in case. There we go. Way better resistance bands. I have no idea what this is. Well, that's cool, I guess. Comes with a nice bag, which is nice. I guess this is... I don't know what the hell this is. I guess this is something you can use to hold the bands. Or you could use it as like an ankle thing or a wrist thing. I don't know. I'll figure it out. This is supposed to be 50 to 125 pounds. $35 to $85. $25 to $65. $15 to $35. $5 to 15 pounds. Cool unboxing. So, I will see y'all in the next one.